Hey, what's up, guys? This is Tyler, at the helm of the camera tonight. As you can see, Falco's moving out of his house. There's absolutely nothing left in his house except for upstairs. That's why he hasn't been making a movie. There's been a lot of real-life stuff going on. He's been moving. It's been spring break here. He's kind of been taking a break, and it kind of became excessive. But I figured I'd be the one to step up and make sure you guys stayed informed. Alright, like I said, he's moving out. You see some boxes. This is the only room with anything in it. It's all got to be out by 12 p.m. tomorrow. So, yo, what up? So, what's been going on?
We are working on the game one last time at this house. You'll never see this room again.
Ever again. That's it. It's done.
So is this going on YouTube?
Yeah. It's 8.5. 8.5.
What? So if this sucks, it's your fault?
That is not my fault. I'm the one stepping up, keeping people informed. Been too busy. Is Marcel, is he?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, Marcel's actually working. You gotta check your things out.
Damn.
Oh! That might make 8.5 the best chapter ever.
May very well. At least there's proof. What is Bowman? What are you doing?
No, Bowman's working. I'm researching tiles. We're getting ideas from.
What are you playing?
And other games.
What
That would be legitimate Final Fantasy VI there.
Man, dude, look at those tiles. Oh my god, that is nice.
Sometimes when we get together, in order for ideas, art direction. What are you doing?
What, Mega Man?
Okay, alright, yeah. We play RPGs. Check this out. We bought Secret of Mana. The original Chrono Trigger.
The original son.
The original son. No, seriously, sometimes you play them and you're like, how did they implement this, you know? How did they do this area?
Yeah.
And we're researching. We're not just douching ourselves.
Yeah, it's 90% or 10% inspiration, 90% perspiration.
There you go. I like that. I like that a lot. So, you said you were deving earlier. Is there anything new that you're thinking about implementing?
What?
Anything that's in the works for the game that you've come up with recently?
Well, where's that whiteboard? Okay, alright. First of all, since I got back into this, I kind of we left with the engine minus the battle system. It's done. It's not ready for us to store in the game, though. It's, see, I need to clean it up. You can't just make a level and run it in the game. It's not that easy yet. You know, like the editor in the game, there's some other stuff, like you have to convert maps to binary manually. There's some stuff that's just not handled, and we're trying to...
Not manually. It's Peter's Pearl Script's job.
Oh, yeah, it's Peter's job, that's right.
Carve out ones and zeros.
Carve them out. Yeah, actually, that is Peter's job.
Peter, what? Peter's not even here. Like, I haven't seen Peter. I don't even know.
It's a lot of gas.
This.
But, for example, Peter right now is a little bit more out of work than the rest of us. That's why I'm trying to get Lua in. What?
We pretty much laid him off.
Oh yeah, Peter's
I
been
had
laid.
to design some of my dialogue windows because we couldn't find anything for him to do. He sat there for an
Dang.
hour and just wrote out like...
No, I mean, like, he's going to have plenty of work pretty soon. I just have to implement Lua into the engine.
Yeah, of course. I mean...
And then he'll go from Perl scripter to Lua scripter. In the end, the three programmers, Marcel, Peter, and... Where's that marker? Let me explain to you the way this works.
Fucking spamming like hell.
Oh, I already know. Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So what was I going to do?
Well, you found your marker.
Oh, I found my marker. I'm trying to explain the theory, the game development theory behind the three programmers. Marcel, Peter, myself. Check us out. There's three of us. 3 jobs. We've got 3. Say this is me, Falco. I'll work on the engine. That is my job currently. This is Marcel. He douches his ass. I mean, works on the level editor. Right here.
Level editor.
Level editor. Peter. Here. He works on tools and scripts. Well, tools is more accurate. Scripts is kind of general. That's our job at the moment. You realize this is the job as we create the engine. This is not making a game. When we finish the engine and we all make the game, that's when the three come together. Like so. So the three of us merge into one single entity, right? And it'll look like this. We become one. We become the Triforce. That's a really crappy looking Triforce. But look. And you know what the middle of that Triforce is? Lua. I know, that's deep. Absorb it.
That is
Absorb
actually,
it.
I was not gonna, wow.
Absorb it. In the end, when we've all done our jobs at the moment, when we've all created the engine, the only job that we should be doing is Lua.
Oh my god, it's like a Triforce of power.
Okay. Yeah. But in the end, we're all going to be doing the same thing. We're all going to be doing Lua. That's the point I'm trying to get at. And I'm trying to get Lua in so Peter can have a head start. So he's not doing anything, because Peter's a talented guy, and he needs to be doing something. I know.
They're building Triforces.
Hey, so are you online?
Nope.
Why aren't you online? I mean,
Because the neighbor?
the neighbor, what? What's wrong? Are you, like leaching out of the window
Yep.
on your computer?
When my parents left, they took the internet connection, so I kind of borrowed the neighbor's. And it's not very stable, but you know, that's how it goes.
It's almost like you align it by the stars or something. There you go.
Okay, so what I've got to do to fix this is Blitz has some really cheap thing called a bank, which I do not understand. All it is,
Okay.
all it is,
You have my attention.
all it is a 1D array. That is exactly 100% what it is. I don't understand why they can have dynamic banks but not dynamic arrays. Internally, they
Dude,
are
I don't
not
know.
the exact
Don't
same
look at
thing.
me.
Shut up. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create dynamic objects, a linked list for every single map. And I have one global array, like Blitz wants me to represent all the tiles that are going to be drawn here.
Right.
Okay? And each one of the tabs is going to be another object that has one of those banks. Then I'm going to create a bunch of functions that'll map it to a 2D array for me. Because map the 1D array, the bank, to the 2D array. So all I do is every single time I tab over, I'm going to take the 1D array, map it to a 2D array, and fill the global array with those values. So essentially all it's going to do is take one array, leave it there the whole time, and that's what it's rendering. And then every time you tab over, it's just going to fill up the array, and then draw the screen.
Are you emulating a dynamic two-dimensional array?
Yes.
Ultimately.
Yeah.
He could have said that, but no, I mean, we look really cool when we talk like this.
I like the whiteboard. That's
And
nice.
yeah, that.
Oh, yeah, for real.
Okay, so the whole point of that is to make it MDI, multiple document interface. Now you can have multiple
MDI.
maps. Now you can
Yeah.
have multiple maps and crap like that open in one project. And then also I'm going to get hardcore and add templates.
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa, whoa!
Back this,
You know what?
Back this up here.
Whoa! You think you're getting ahead of the fact that this is a 0.5 video?
Yeah, what are you doing? This is
That's just
this isn't even an image or
this is-
video. This is
this
like
is-
a float, guys.
This is a float video. You're done. You're done.
You should just
You're,
film that
you're,
sticks,
you're,
dude.
you're done.